Yeah, she's my Jenga. I'll do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's my, yeah, she's my, yeah, she's my Jenga. I'll do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's my, yeah, she's mine.
Walk up in the club looking for a thick girl, a little Jenga that maybe I can take home. All this ice got me feeling like a snow globe. I'ma blow dro by my dolo. See your boy D is never riding solo, cause I'm with a Jenga, we in a photo. Try and talk to my girl and that's a no-no. If you do, I'll hit you with a low blow. Oh no, now I'm back to the track, thinking how I'm going to react. She just told me that she got my back, but I really didn't want any strings attached. She told me she loved me, and the feeling's getting stronger. Now I can't fuss with her any longer. She like a lion, there's no way to tame her. She dynamite, she's dangerous.
Yeah, she's my Jenga. I'll do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's my, yeah, she's my, yeah, she's my Jenga. I'll do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's my, yeah, she's mine.
I don't know what to do now. My little Jenga said that we through now. She won't let the whole crew run through now. Then I gotta let the whole crew down. Just playing around. You know that I gotta keep my Jenga around. She by my side, ready to ride and ready to die. I could tell by the look up in her eyes. She caught me by surprise, like it was my birthday. I want this girl in the worst way. She say she wanna stay till the world end, but she a Jenga, far from a girlfriend. But she still got me twirling, thinking, what should I really do? She said, DJ, I really wanna be with you, but that's one thing I can't do. Boo, boo.
Yeah, she's my Jenga. I'll do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's my, yeah, she's my, yeah, she's my Jenga. I'll do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's my, yeah, she's my.
I didn't write a third verse, so I'ma free it. I gotta tell this girl she the one I wanna be with, cause right now she looking so fine. I wanna break her down like this dime. Lil' mama is homie. I really like the way she holds me. I gotta keep her happy, cause shawty is sweeter than a Laffy Taffy. She keep me smiling, she keep me laughing, but I hate all the arguing and the fighting. I'm biting down on my teeth, smoking this potent ass weed for relief. I gotta get the stress on my chest, throwing things around the house, making it a mess. Feeling Superman fly, with the sass on my chest, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next.
Yeah, she's my Jenga. I'll do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's my, yeah, she's mine. Yeah, she's my Jenga. I do my things with her and don't tell no one else. Cause she's mine, yeah, she's mine. Yeah, whoa, yeah, she's mine. Jenga, yeah. The love of my Jenga, no one else can express. She's the Jenga all my life, and I'm not gonna change. But nobody else thinks of me. Whoa, yeah. She's mine, my Jenga, my Jenga, going anywhere. Cause she's my Jenga.